What's up Wednesday? Hi guys, it's Dawn coming to you from FX Caprera Harley Davidson. We've got lots going on. Thank you.
I seen you on the news the other morning.
Ah, thank you. I was on the news the other morning talking about the original horsepower ride coming up. Yep, it sure was. Lots going on. We've got Spring has sprung. We've got everything that you guys need for the Snert Run. ATVs, UTVs, Can-Am, Honda, trailers to haul all the goodies in. We've got people coming in to pick up their bikes from winter storage. If this happens to be you, if you are needing to pick up your bike from winter storage, please remember, give us at least 1 week's notice to get those bikes out. Get them cleaned up, get them ready to go, get them all checked out for you. They are actually upstairs in our showroom. So it takes a little bit of a time to get them out, get them going. People also bringing in their bikes, ATVs, UTVs, ski-doos, sea-doos for service. Also a reminder that we accept drop-offs. We accept drop-offs Monday through Saturday. Service is closed on Sundays, so we don't take anything in on Sundays that need service, or pickups on Sundays either. So just a reminder, please call and schedule that, and keep in mind that it's only Mondays through Saturdays that we accept drop-offs. These are all the bikes that are going to be picked up later on this week. Look, mine's right there. Hi, honey. Jada working hard next to it. Also, we've got lots of stuff coming up events-wise as well. Kick in through service here. Take you the back way, back into the showroom. Events-wise, this weekend we have our Easter egg hunt. Our staff will be hiding Easter eggs throughout the store for adults and kids to find. They'll have candies and goodies and other fun stuff. Following Saturday, April 24th, we've got our spring open house coming up. Oh, lots of shirts to choose from. That Saturday, April 27th, we'll also have our motorcycle insurance checkup. Don't forget, it is Check Your Helmet Month, all month long. See the last What's Up Wednesday video for that. We've got all the riding gear that you need. Helmets, gloves, leather jackets, nylon jackets. All the latest spring fashion. The summer is on its way. And the Saturday after that, May 4th, we've got the original horsepower ride. All the proceeds going from that to Jefferson County SPCA. And then last but not least, our May 11th season opener. We'll have bike blessing. We'll have the Hostile Crew Stunt Show coming up. We'll have vendors and chicken barbecue, live music with Kickin Up Dust, and lots more. So, lots going on, lots to see and do, lots of things to remember, but most of all, have fun, stay safe. We'll see you on the next What's Up Wednesday. Bye, guys.